Sights to See is my hobby channel that is dedicated to sightseeing around Vancouver Island. Victoria, BC, Canada is where I call home. Many of the videos will be from around Victoria, as it's easy to do one-day video shoots around the city. The good thing is that there is so much to see in the city of Victoria and Greater Victoria that there is enough content for multiple channels. I'll try to cover as much as I can. I will also be uploading videos consisting of beautiful scenery and peaceful nature sounds. Videos such as ocean wave videos, as well as rain and wind videos, and I'll also be adding Babbling Creek videos, to name a few. Some of these videos will have music added to help create a more ambient atmosphere. I will also be adding videos from my travels to this channel. I will be exploring Vancouver Island and anywhere else I go to. I enjoy doing walking tour videos. It's a good way to familiarize yourself with an area when you're traveling. In the future, I hope to be adding diving videos to the list. At the moment, the sea parts of Sights to See consists of ocean view videos from up here, either shot from land or boat. I'd like to take you down there. It's another world entirely. If you enjoy the sights and sounds of the Pacific Northwest, why not consider subscribing to our channel? Your life will be infinitely better when you do. Happiness and peace will find its way into your life and raise you up to the star you were meant to be. So go on, make the right choice for yourself. Smash that subscribe button.